Okay, the third application of biotechnology in life is production of insect-tolerant plants. Okay, so we have the BT cotton. Okay, farming cotton breed with high yields and resistance to pests. Okay, so this is BT cotton, and the use of pesticide has greatly reduced. Okay, where the gene that produces BT toxins from Bacillus thuringiensis, this is a type of soil bacteria that secretes toxins. So this gene is inserted into the plant's genome. So what happens when the pest feeds on the plant, which produces BT toxins? The toxin is going to affect the digestive system of the pest, hence killing the pest. So this effort has saved costs by reducing the use of pesticides and also at the same time increases the cotton yield. Okay, besides cotton, other BT crops are corn. You have BT corn and brinjal. Okay, so the vector involved in BT corn, production of BT corn, is Agrobacterium tumefaciens bacterium. Okay, where the bacterium is used to insert the plasmid carrying gene for BT toxin into the corn cells. The corn cells are grown in culture agar, and the corn cells develop into GM plants that can produce BT toxin to resist the pest. Okay, besides insect-tolerant plants, there is an example of GM soybean, which is resistant to herbicide. Okay, next one is next application of biotechnology includes cleaning of oil spills. Okay, so this method is called bioremediation, okay, which uses bacteria to clean up environmental pollutants. And it's effective to treat oil spillage in the ocean, where most molecules in the crude oil and purified oil products can be degraded by bacteria. Okay, example are Carnivorex bocumensis, okay, which is a type of bacteria that depends on oil for its source of energy, and it is widely used to treat oil spills. Okay, so apart from these few mentions application of biotechnology, okay, there are other applications involving productions of microbial metabolites, nanobiotechnology, and bioinformatics. Okay, you can click to these links provided below, okay, for further information on the applications of biotechnology in life.